Hello reception, Mr. Gear here again. Today we're going to continue our work on subtraction. Subtraction. And we're going to be using a little bit of problem solving as well, which means that the answer might not be as obvious as we think, but we're going to use our brains to help us. So first of all, let's practice counting up to 10 and counting back down from 10 using our fingers. Are you ready? Get those fingers ready. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And back down again. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fantastic job. As always, give yourselves a pat on the back. I really enjoyed watching your videos on Tapestry of you having a go at that. And some of you are going up beyond 10. Some of you are going to 20. Now, can any of you get to 100 and back down again? That's really, really tricky. But let's practice with 10 to start with, and then maybe 20 if you're confident. Now, back to today's game. All you're going to need to play today's game is 10 objects. I've got 10 objects here. I've used my counters. But it doesn't have to be counters, and they don't all have to be the same. You could use 10 pieces of Lego, you can use 10 cuddly toys, you can use 10 sweets. I don't mind. All you need to do is get 10 objects and put them in a line, just like this. Let's double check that I've got 10, just in case. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. I've got 10. Now, today's game is a two-player game, so I've used Ellie the elephant over there to help me know when it's her turn and when it's my turn to help you. So, the aim of the game today is we are going to take it in turns to take away some of these counters. The way to win is to not be the person that takes away the last one. So the person who takes away the last counter is the one that loses, and the person that doesn't take that last one wins. Now, it's not quite as simple as that. In the last 2 days, we've been using a dice to choose whether we take away 1, 2, or 3 counters. Today, you need to use your brains. You get to choose how many you take away, but make sure that you don't take away that last one. Let me demonstrate. So, I'm going to go first, and I'm going to use my first, then now sentences to help me, and then it's going to be Ellie's turn. So, first, there were 10 counters. Then I'm going to take away 2 counters. So we're going to practice on our fingers, our counting back. So we need to take 2 down and count back. Okay, ready? So we had 10, and then we take away 2. 10, 9, 8. So now there should be 8 left. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Perfect. I put 2 fingers down, didn't I? And we counted back. So we started with 10 and then we went 9, 8. Okay, perfect. I've had my turn. I took my 2. Ellie's turn. Right, Ellie, what are you going to do? Oh, yes. First, there were 8 counters. Then, I'm going to take away 1 counter. So, show me 8. And this time we're going to put down 1. Ready? So, 7. Oh, we went back 1. And now we've got 7. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So first there were 8. Then Ellie took away 1. And now there are 7. Okay, my turn. I'm going to say, first there were 7. Then I'm going to take away another 2. So show me 7. Then we're going to take away another 2. 6, 5. So there should be 5 left. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, there are 5 left. So first there were 7. Then I took 2 away. And now there are 5. Okay, Ellie, your turn. First there were 5. Then she's going to take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So she's taking away 3. Let's do that on our fingers. Ready? So we started with 5, then we'll take away 3. 4, 3, 2. So we counted back 3 of them, and now there are 2. Let's double check. 1, 2. So first there were 5, then Ellie took away 3, and now there are 2. My turn. Now, I could take both of them, couldn't I? But that means I would lose, because that means I would take away the last one. So there's only one thing I can do without losing. First, there were 2. Then I took away 1. So we had 2, we take away 1, and we count back as we go. 1, there should be 1 left, and there is. So first there were 2, then I took away 1, and now there are 1. It's Ellie's turn. No. What do you mean no? No. Ellie, that's not very sports-like, is it? Yeah. Ellie knows that because there's only 1 left, that means that she loses, doesn't she? She has to take that 1. So, first there was 1. Then she took 1. And now there are 0. Absolutely. So, I won that game. Now, the next time we play, she's going to go first to make it fair. So, that's your challenge for today. Get 10 objects, line them up, and then choose whether you take away 1, 2, or 3 counters, and then make sure you are not the last one to take a counter, because if you are, then you lose and the other person wins. I hope you win against your family. Remember, first, then, now sentences, and counting back using your fingers. Good luck.